Have you ever felt overwhelmed by someone who seems determined to make your life difficult? Whether it's a bully at work, a toxic friend, or even a family member who just seems to bring negativity into your world, we've all encountered people who challenge our peace of mind. But what if I told you that you could overcome them without shouting, fighting, or even lifting a finger? That's right, no confrontation, just pure strategic action. In today's video, we'll dive into 10 powerful, time-tested ways to neutralize your enemies without fighting. These methods are rooted in wisdom from the ages, and they can be applied by anyone. So, if you're ready to protect your peace and rise above those who wish you harm, keep watching until the end. 1. Keep your cool. The first step is simple, yet powerful. Keep your cool. Bullies and toxic people thrive on reactions. They want to see you upset or angry. By staying calm and composed, you deny them the satisfaction of knowing they've gotten to you. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By remaining calm, you maintain control and show them they have no power over your emotions. 2. Make eye contact. The next time someone tries to push your buttons, look them directly in the eye. This simple act of making eye contact shows confidence, which can often surprise them. It forces them to acknowledge you as an equal. You can even take it a step further with a smile or a laugh, disarming them with an unexpected reaction. This will make them rethink their behavior and question whether they're getting the response they expected. 3. Build your support system. Facing an enemy alone can feel overwhelming. That's why it's essential to find your squad, a group of trusted friends, family, or colleagues who can offer support. Having a strong support system sends a message to those who wish you harm. You're not alone, and they're not just up against you anymore. There's strength in numbers, and when you surround yourself with positive, supportive people, your enemies lose their power. 4th, level up. Don't tear down. The best revenge is living well. Instead of engaging in conflict, focus on your own happiness and success. Nothing frustrates an enemy more than seeing you thrive. By choosing to rise above and live your best life, you rob them of any power they thought they had. Focus on your goals. Spend time with people who lift you up, and remind yourself daily of your worth. 5. Set clear boundaries. We all know someone who constantly oversteps and drains our energy. Protect yourself by setting firm boundaries. Your time and energy are precious, and it's up to you to guard them. By clearly defining what's acceptable and what's not, you take control of the situation. Communicate these boundaries calmly and confidently. This isn't about shutting people out. It's about creating a space where you can thrive, free from unnecessary drama. 6. Use their negativity as fuel. If someone tells you that you can't achieve something, use that negativity to fuel your determination. Every insult or criticism they hurl at you is an opportunity to prove them wrong, not just for the sake of showing them up, but to prove to yourself how capable you truly are. As the Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Every obstacle they throw in your path becomes a stepping stone toward your success. 7. Keep your distance. Sometimes the best way to deal with toxic people is to simply keep your distance. When you remove yourself from a negative environment, you gain clarity and peace. By limiting your interactions, you deny them the opportunity to affect your well-being. As Epictetus wisely put it, freedom is the only worthy goal in life, and it is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. Create space between yourself and those who seek to harm you. 8. Let their words bounce off. Mean comments and insults are inevitable when dealing with toxic individuals, but their words only have power if you let them. Picture their words like raindrops on an umbrella, harmless, unable to touch you. By refusing to take their comments personally, you protect your inner peace. Remember, their aim is to provoke a reaction, so by staying unbothered, you rob them of their victory. 9. Disarm them with humor. Humor can be a powerful weapon. When someone tries to get under your skin, responding with a witty or humorous comment can disarm them. A lighthearted remark deflates their negativity and shifts the power dynamic in your favor. It also shows that you're not easily rattled. As Marcus Aurelius once said, reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. By using humor, you turn the tables and regain control. 10. Cultivate inner peace. Finally, the most important strategy is to cultivate inner peace. This is the foundation of all the other methods. Inner peace means finding calm and tranquility within yourself, no matter the external chaos. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, or spending time in nature can help you build this inner fortress. Once you've achieved inner peace, your enemy's actions can't touch you. They may rage and storm, but you'll remain calm and centered, like a mountain untouched by the wind. Closing. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways to destroy your enemy without ever raising your voice or your fist. Remember, true power comes from within. By mastering these strategies, you protect your peace and become untouchable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom-packed content. See you next time.